A better way to do this, so to create the file, read the content, and close the file, is to use the with context manager. The way you do that is, again, you use the open function, which works the same, fruits.txt. Now, you say as my file. My file is just a variable, and then you have to indent. So what you have done here is you have created this, my file equals to openfruits.txt. Exactly the same. The difference here is that you'll write everything that has to do with processing that file object. You'll have to write everything under this line, indented under that line as a block. That will make things more organized. So in this case, what we want to do to the file is to read it like that. Once you are done, then you just close the indentation. So the next lines will be unindented, like the print line. See what's going to happen here. So that is the expected output of the print content. Even if you delete this, not to confuse you, again you get the same output. So this output is actually of this line. And closing the file is not necessary here because the with context manager will apply the close method implicitly. So your file will be closed once this block ends. So please use the with context manager, and this is how you do it.